Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today, Appa is going to make my signature curry chicken. So I have half piece of free-range chicken here, marinated, cut into chunks and then marinated with a little bit of salt. You can marinate it with some curry powder also, up to you. Then I have some big yellow onion, some tomato, some garlic, ginger, shallot, some curry leaves, some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, some potato, and this is what I'm going to use to mix the curry powder. I have about 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Garam masala here is additional option. Yeah, the other 3 is a must. Okay, then I have some coconut milk. First thing, we are going to make the curry paste. Let's give it some oil. Once the oil is heated up, we will put in the fresh herbs. Maybe I'll put the tomato later lah. So I'll put in all the fresh herbs besides tomato. Let's saute this for a minute or 2 before we continue. If you have some fresh coriander roots, put it here also. Once you start seeing the fresh herbs started to brown, you can actually tune down the fire to the lowest fire. Put in the curry leaves and the curry powders. Curry powders can get burned very easily. I got burned many times. Because Appa is always shooting video, yeah. So you need to be focused, and if you see this too dry, please add in more oil. Give it a generous amount of oil, and raise the heat to medium low. Slowly saute this for 2-3 minutes at least. Don't let it get burnt, yeah? Keep on stirring and keep it low fire. This is after like 2-3 minutes sauteing under medium-low heat. Next thing, I'm going to add in some hot water. Oh, no. Before that, let me add in the marinated chicken first. Together with the potato. You can saute the potato separately for better flavor. Now we can raise the heat to medium high. Oh, let me double check the focus. Look at how appetizing it looks. Now I'm going to add in hot water. And let's bring it to a boil. Once it is started to boil, we can give it some seasoning first. Now I'm going to give it 1 teaspoon of fine salt to start with, followed by a similar amount of fine sugar. And I'm going to add in some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore, or any Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. Made out of 100% natural ingredient, yeah? Once it is boiling, you can find a lid, close it, and tune down to medium-low, and cook it for minimum 20 to 25 minutes. Yeah, that is what it takes to make the potato soften. This is after approximately 20 minutes. Wow. Let me add in some diluted coconut milk. I could use a little bit more salt here. Right, good enough. maybe a bit of light soy sauce. So I'm going to continue, let it simmer for another couple of minutes. Right, this is after total cooking time, approximately 25 minutes, yeah, simmering time. It's basically done. You just have to use salt and sugar to adjust to taste it, that's all. So if you like my very simple video today, oh, by the way, you will notice I actually prepare more broth today because tomorrow I'm going to fry some bihun and eat together with the curry chicken. Who else also like to eat like this? Let Appa know in the comment section below. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.